Hello students, welcome to this ethics class. Today we will discuss 2022a. So again, please attempt the answer at least once before watching this video so that you derive more benefit and so that you do not have to watch videos again and again, so that you get what I am trying to say. And also ethics is a very subjective paper. You can write answer in a number of ways. Discussing through answers is a very effective way to discuss ethics, to discuss what UPSC wants to ask. So now we will discuss 2022a. Hatred is destructive of a person's wisdom and conscience that can poison a nation's spirit. Do you agree with this view? Justify your answer. So here UPSC wants you to understand how much destructive hatred is. How it will not only destroy person's wisdom, but it will also poison nation spirit. So let us see. Hatred doesn't allow us to think clearly. Hatred makes us ask wrong questions and hence derive wrong answers. Hatred doesn't have capacity to explore truth and handle its capacity. So if we are filled with hatred, we won't have the strength to stay calm and explore the truth, which is a much more complex and difficult task. And we would also not be able to handle the truth and its capacity. And giving into hatred means losing control over emotions. It further leads to wrong emotions like anger and violence. Through all these ways, a hatred destroys person's wisdom. So if hatred destroys person's wisdom, that is what we are showing here. It doesn't allow us to think clearly, makes us ask wrong questions, doesn't have capacity to explore truth, it means we are losing control of our emotions, and we might further go into wrong emotions like anger and violence. So if we see, hatred actually damages person's wisdom through all these ways. And how does it poison nation spirit? This damaging of person's wisdom also poisons nation spirit in many ways, which can be seen in. So there are already many examples throughout history through which first it destroys personal wisdom, then it destroys nation spirit, like Holocaust and fascism, genocides, communal clashes in India, racial hatred in developed countries, extremism and insurgency, gender discrimination, marginalization of LGBTQ plus community, caste-based discrimination, spreading misinformation, exodus of Northeast Indians from Bangalore, poor treatment of Rohingya refugees, etc. Like this, you can write variety of examples which you are connected to, which you can easily recall in the exam. So if we see, it comes to around 108 words. So if we see, UPSC wants you to understand how destructive hatred actually is. It will destroy your wisdom and it will also spoil nation spirit. So if we see justification, because of all these reasons, it destroys person's wisdom. And there are already ample examples. I have listed only few. There are many examples of how it has poisoned nation spirit throughout history. So you can write your own examples, since ethics is a very subjective paper. So that is all. Thank you.